Hello sir, good up good morning, good afternoon and good evening po. I'm Mark Christian Lawrence C. Basco from this IT2I. This is our IPT Laboratory 1, Laboratory Activity 1, which is Set up Java Development Kit. So, let's start. First, search the Oracle, www.oracle.com. Then, click the product. Then, click the Java. Then, download Java. Then, click the JDK21. Then, Windows. And click the x64 MIS installer and download it. After download it, first go to downloads and install. Which is the Java. Wait until it's installed. Okay, close. Install successfully. Close na natin. Then, first, go to control panel. Then, after go to control panel, system and security. Then, allow remote access. Then this is the one. Allow remote access. Click the advanced in the tab. Then environment variables. Then click the path and go to files. Then this PC, Acer, program files. This is the Java. Andito na yung Java na ginawa natin kanina. So, click the Java, JDK21, bin, then copy the link sa taas, then Control C, copy, then edit natin, new natin, tapos paste. Okay, then click this and okay, then dito path, hanapin natin yung path, tapos edit ulit natin, new, which is ito. Then, okay. Then, after this, new natin, tapos Java home. Then, paste natin yung kinapin natin, remove the bin. Then, okay. Which is, dito na. So, done na yan. Okay. And exit. So, try natin. Windows R, CMD, or command prompt Java negative version. Which is this. Okay na. Java 21.06 yung version ng Java natin. So, after nan, setup naman tayo ng Eclipse IDE. So, first, go to this Chrome, tapos search natin eclipse.org. Then, this is download natin ito, download x86 underscore 64 download. Wait for downloading. After the download, go to files, go to download, and Eclipse. Kahit saan yan. Ito, Eclipse. So, try natin install. This is the Eclipse installer. So first, click the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Then, after this, install. Wait for install. Okay, after install, launch. Launch natin, launch, and wait. This is. So first file and new Java project, and project name is Paul User minus CS 170. Okay, tapos use Linux Java 1.8, Java SE 1.8, tapos finish. File, new, class, then all. Okay, name, hello printer. Check the public, then finish. Okay, this is the Java. So first, let's input the public static void main string then string args then and system dot out dot print in hello world, then title document, string malaking letter, then system out print in small letter P, then okay, print in system out print in. Tama naman. System out print in. Okay, then click the run button. Run, select all. Hello world. Yun lang po. Thank you sir. I'm